Marissa, I'm taking a video of your Snapchat. I see this your phone.
We're all about to die. How you doing? We watched him whip. We watched him nay.
What video is that from?
And now he's whipping in heaven. I don't know, it's like a Vine. Vine. Junior, get your shady iPad out of the way.
Marissa, you just do what I did. Let's take a video of it.
Oh!
I got it!
That was good.
Yeah.
Marissa, you just do what I did. Let's take a video of it.
Whoa! Get your shady iPad out of the way.
Marissa, you just do what I did.
Wait.
Let's take a video of it.
Junior, get your shady iPad out of the way. We watched him whip. No, I don't want to talk from the Kindle.
Marissa, look at my screen.
This is more exciting than the scary movies we were watching.
Yeah.
Like, the suspense is killing
Wait,
me.
Marissa, look at my screen.
Who's gonna die first? I think the closest to a black person we have is Paulina.
No, I think it's yellow. No, I think it's yellow. I think it's yellow.
We didn't mean literally.
That's hella funny.
Oh, she's like
The
10.
black person. Yellow.
When is another lightning gonna strike?
I don't know, but it's
Oh,
exciting.
wait, why is there a light on? Like there, I just saw a light.
It's probably a reflection of something or a ghost. I don't know. I think it's that house light right there.
No, see, look, there it goes again.
That's a street light, honey.
Oh, well, why does it keep on turning off and on?
Your camera's adjusting?
How do you know?
I don't know, man. I'm guessing.
The camera is right here.
We watched the whip.
We watched some.
What's Zayn Malik doing right now?
Great, so I wasted 2 minutes.
Zayn, if you're out there, I just want you to know I'm not okay. I really need you. Come on, lightning. Excite me. That was like a 5-minute storm. Like, come on. You can do better than that.
At first, I thought it was like, cause
Remember what you used to say when you got scared? Like when you
What?
first got here?
What?
What if you said that every time it struck?
What'd I say? I'm sorry.
Every time it struck.
What?
What if you said that at your wedding, like on accident? You're like walking down the aisle and it's like
I probably would.
in front of like his
Okay,
grandparents.
What did she say? What did she say?
I can't say. That's how bad it is. Oh, well, that was gross.
I'm sorry.
We all have our moments.
I want the lightning strike. Ugh.
I guess it's over. Dude, it looks pretty cool though.
Oh! I saw another one.
Great.
Hella good.
That was crazy, man. Okay.
Ooh,
Like
wow.
2 minutes more and then I'm just gonna give up on it. Because we haven't even heard any thunder.
It's like thunder.
It's
Lightning.
like, what? It's like rain. If you hold a spoon, does that make you more or less likely to get struck? Wait, have you seen those scars people get when they get struck though? They look really sick.
Wouldn't you die if you got struck?
No, some people live and they look cool as hell.
How? Like, it burns your body.
Sometimes like you wear certain material and like this shit will like keep you alive. Like one time that guy wore like a
Alright,
hat
I'm stopping it at 7 minutes.
and he was like,
No.
it's fine because it's fine.
Why won't there?
I don't know, but one of those was so cool. Did you see the ones where you can actually see the lines? Like I never thought that was real. Like
I should.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I thought you.
Oh my god, I saw the line!
Okay, you see?
Yeah.
Right when I put it down. Okay, like sometimes like I always thought that was like fake, like not
The
fake,
lines?
but like you would have to be like far away to see it. I mean, we are still far away. I don't know. I just thought you needed like a specific type of camera to see it like that.
That's my X1 Xfinity, Marissa.
I'm not trying to send that to Alex right now. What's happening?
Today's forecast, it's sunny at 85 degrees.
Whoa!
Oh shit, that's sick. Cute.
I wanted to see it.
It's on my story. It'll keep coming.
It's like thunder.
Oh, that was crazy. I was not ready for.
Saturday's forecast, sunny, 84 degrees.
Saturday's forecast is a lie.
No, it says right there.
I know, but they don't know what they're talking about clearly. Alright, one more. My voice was so deep. I was like, whoa! This is so cool. The lightning actually looks really cool. The thunder's kind of terrifying, but the lightning's kind of rewarding. It's like fishing. Like you actually get a fish.
Or when you get a sea bass.
I used to be really scared of the thunder.
Or a trout.
I think I'm a little bit terrified, but like low key.
What if you get a pufferfish?
We don't have anywhere to put it.
Yes we do.
The swimming pool's full of chlorine. The pufferfish will die.
I'm not talking about in the pool.
Where are you gonna put a pufferfish?
A place called the ocean.
A place called the
Wait, is that at 7 minutes? What?
It's almost at 7 minutes. You're just gonna have to turn it off.
I'm just gonna stop it when another lightning strike happens. Oh,
Oh!
no, that doesn't count. It was just a blink. Does not count. No, I must keep on going. Thursday's forecast, 61 degrees. Scattered key storms. Marissa, there's thunderstorms today.
That's crazy. Alright, that's enough. That was really cool though.
Wait, Marissa,
Yeah, baby.
you still don't want to see for more?
Huh?
You still don't want to check for more?
Yeah, you'll have them recorded.
Strange creature seems to like One Direction.
Good goosey
I
deal.
see. No? No?
Junior, get your shady iPad out of the way.
Oh, yes.